Based out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Team Nutz can help you accessorize your car, truck, boat, RV, and ATV with a wide variety of products such as aftermarket lighting, wheel lighting, LED and HID headlights, detailing and detailing products, paint correction, ceramic and graphene coating, as well as PPF installations, vehicle wrapping, car audio installations such as radios, speakers, subwoofers, and amplifiers, and cars, trucks, boats, and ATVs. Team Nutz also offers lift kits and lowering kits, and aftermarket accessories such as bumpers, light bars, and winches, and many, many more. Also, wheels and tires are a specialty at Team Nutz. Be sure to check out our Facebook page and our Instagram page, and check out teamnutztechnology.com for more information.